Now that the build is finished, it's time to retrieve the parts. And there are a couple of different ways you can do this. The first way is to press on the dial here and rotate the dial until you can see build chamber. Then press the dial to select build chamber and scroll all the way down until you can find empty build chamber. By making this selection, a vacuum will come on underneath the build chamber and will actually start to suction the core away from the build parts. It is quite a slow process, and there is a quicker way to do this. The other way to do this is to enable the vacuum. By enabling the vacuum, you can vacuum around the parts and start to retrieve the parts. When you're doing this, you should have the hood of the cleaning station open. So as you retrieve the parts, you can start to move them over into the cleaning station, ready for cleaning. To turn the vacuum on, press on the dial and select vacuum. The vacuum will start. You need to be careful that you don't vacuum up any small parts. Start moving away the core with the vacuum. You can also use any of the cleaning tools. I might use this one that has a soft brush to help me retrieve the parts. I can see here that there's a part. I'll keep vacuuming. You don't want to take the part out too early or you'll risk breaking it. Make sure you remove a lot of the core. And I can now move this over to the cleaning station. I've just selected exit to switch the vacuum off. I now have one of my small parts here, and I'm going to move that into the cleaning station. And I'd continue that process until all parts are retrieved.